Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Mercedes 2019 hybrid diesel car. Customer came for a diagnostic engine management light on. I'm plugging the computer and have a look what's going on here. You can see here engine light on, basically vehicle starting. Got the report, lot of warning here as usual Mercedes. Right, we'll see what's going on under the engine management. There is a 3 faulty codes. Right, we'll see what is this 3 faulty codes. AdBlue system cylinder bank 1 has malfunction. The efficiency of SCR catalytic converter bank 1 not sufficient. The position sensor of the camshaft, this is another problem, but however I am not worried about the crankshaft position stored. I had to sort out AdBlue system and the SCR system, and we need to have a look what's going on for the AdBlue nozzle. I think that's the main problem, but however we'll see at the dashboard any warning for the AdBlue system. Trip, service function. Yeah, there is a one message. Yeah, at the moment it will read the AdBlue level, but however AdBlue system bank 1 has malfunction, most probably for this one related for the AdBlue injector, but however I will switch off, because when you work with like this electric cars, be careful, because it has a high voltage battery. If something goes wrong, you can't see anymore me. So because of that, when you work with the hybrid system, be careful. In here, this is the license job. Many people don't want to touch, but however I'm qualified, so I'm not too much worried for the hybrid or electric or whatever come in the vehicle. I'm okay with that things, but however I will jack up the car and I will go underneath and try to find out what's the problem. Then after that I'll come back to you, and same time I need to go to the engine bay and have a look what's going on for the engine bay. Check the oil level, coolant level. If I can identify anything, I will point at you. Right, yeah, this is the normal coolant, and also when you using the coolant for this car, it has a special coolant. Don't add water like a old cars. Wow, have a look. This one nearly empty, so I need to top up that one. However, this coolant tank, normal standard engine side, not for the hybrid side. This is the hybrid side, but however good practice to use both sides same special coolant for the electric vehicle. Then end of the day we don't want to too much worry. Because this is non-conducted coolant. Oh, it's very thirsty. Yeah, now it's in the correct level. Let's see how is the engine oil level. Next step, I will carry out my normal diagnostic routine. Here I remove the AdBlue injector. You can see tiny crystallizing in the tip is not bad, it's tiny crystallizing, but it doesn't matter. And that blue injector hole also you can see nice and clear there. Right, however I will clean the injector and come back to you. Right, so I clean the injector, reinstall everything. Okay, now I will clear this faulty codes, quick erase. At the moment all light disappeared, however I can't stop from here. Let's go to the SCR system and we'll see any faulty code there. Sleeping faulty codes. No any faulty code. Then we'll see under the engine management what's going on. Faulty code under engine management. Yeah, no faulty code under engine management, no faulty code under AdBlue system. Next step, I need to get charged this one. You can see here it's 0 charging. We need to put to the charge, and after that I'm going to motorway journey and have a look what's going on and what happened. Yeah, you can see here 2900 at the moment AdBlue mileage. So I will top up AdBlue, then after that I will go motorway with the live data and have a look what's going on here. Right, now it's came for a 5800, 900 now. Make mileage 0 at the moment, no faulty code. Let's go to the motorway and have a look what's going on there. Went good motorway journey around 20 miles roughly. This is kilometers. However, at the moment no any warning light at the dashboard. Yeah, we'll see what's going on with the computer. Any sleeping faulty codes there after 20 miles roughly. Trouble code. Yeah, you can see no trouble code detected. Yeah, basically at the moment after 20 miles no any faulty codes. Look like another success job, but however 20 miles not enough for the like this problem. Most time like this problem come back after 200 miles roughly, but however I couldn't drive this car 200 miles to check exactly what's going on, but I am happy with the job at the moment. All success. You know why? I didn't replace any parts for this car, so reset the whole warning light, took it to the good road test and came back. Yeah, light didn't come back. Yeah, if this light come back we need to do change AdBlue injector, because I already checked the wiring, all wiring good. Yeah, however if we come back after 200 miles I will add details in the description. Thank you.